Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to set up push notification in WordPress website using a free tool called OneSignal. And first of all, let me show you guys what is push notification. So we're gonna go to this website. So this is a famous SEO guy who already have installed the push notification on his website. So let me show you guys how it works. So here's how the pop-up will look like, and when you will click allow, it will show you the notifications whenever this website will add a new blog post or anything new in the website. Or we can also send custom notification through the push notifications. So we're gonna set those push notifications to this website. And before we proceed to the tutorial, please subscribe my channel, comment on the video below, like the video so we can create more content for you guys. And now I'm gonna go to the back end of the website to set up push notification using OneSignal. Logging into the backend. Now we will go add a new plugin. Let's search here OneSignal. Here's the plugin which we'll be using to set up web push notifications for our website. Now click install now. Activate the plugin. Go to the plugin settings here. That's how it's gonna look like. Now we will create a OneSignal account. Go to the website. We already have it open. Click on sign up. And here I'm gonna add the details. Set up a password. And create account. I think it needs a harder password, so I'm gonna change it to something more difficult. Here we go, our sign up form has been submitted. Now I'm gonna go to my email to activate that. Here's the confirmation email from OneSignal confirming your account. Now we gonna add the name of our app. We will select web push and then next configure your platform button. Select WordPress plugin or website builder here. Make sure this box is selected and then click on WordPress here. And here we go. Just add in your site name here and your URL. Make sure you include the protocol, HTTPS, and the icon which should be showing up on the push notification. After filling up all the details and adding the icon, click on save. After saving it, you will see the app ID and API key, which we need to copy on our plugin settings. So I'm going to click on configuration, add in my app ID and then the API key, copy the API key, add in the API key here, and hit save. Once the app ID and REST API key is updated, we will be looking for Safari Web ID, and for that we will click on settings again, and here we have Apple Safari. Click on this icon. We're gonna copy our website URL again, paste it here, and click next. We need web push. We can also select WordPress here as we're using WordPress. Click next, and here we have our Safari Web ID ready. We just copy it from here and paste it on our configurations. There we go. And these are all the notification settings. So it shows use the post featured image for the notification icon. So if you add a new blog post on your website, on the notification it will also show the featured image. You can enable and disable it from here. Similar option here for the clone large notification image. These are some settings for hiding the notification after a few seconds. We will leave it as it is. Enable the subscription bell. It will show up on the bottom right corner of the website. Let's disable it. We can customize our messages from here. And I think we are good. Now we will, thanks for subscribing, let it all default settings, and now I'm gonna save the settings. Okay, we missed one thing here, which is allowing the notification. So here's the option, automatically prompt new site visitors. It will show the notification to all the new visitors to subscribe to our website. Now we will enable this here and hit save changes again, and our push notification is live now. Now we're gonna go to incognito window to test if it's working. Let's open the new incognito window. Here we go, our notifications are working now. Now let's click allow, and now let's test it by adding a new post. So I'm gonna go back to my website, click on add new post, adding a test post here. Select a featured image, any featured image. Just selecting the random featured image for now. Okay, select in any category. Make sure you select this button, select this checkbox, send notification on post publish. I'm gonna hit the publish. Our notifications are showing up now. There are some other useful analytics and settings available in OneSignal dashboard. So for example, if you go to audience, you'll be able to see how many subscribed users you have. Currently we have just one active subscriber as we just recently subscribed. So that's the user which will get the notification whenever something new is posted on our website. We can also send custom notifications to all of our subscribers by going into messages section. So if you click on this page and click on new push, here's all the settings for the custom notification which we can send to all of our subscribed users. Here you can see send to subscribed users. You can add your custom title, custom message, image, and the launch URL, which will work just the way it was working when we edited the post. The notification was showing up. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. I hope you liked the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.